Hey, sir.
Hey, what's up, my G?
Oh, hey, could you make me a sloppy Jessica sandwich?
We don't have it right now. I would have to make it from scratch.
You don't have it?
You wanna wait or what?
I don't have time. I gotta get back to work, yeah?
You don't have 60 seconds?
Sloppy Jessica sandwich in 60 seconds?
Sure, man. What do you take me for?
Come on, man. I wanna see it.
Okay, so let's do this. And let's do this for Nick's.
Come on, boy!
Yes, Nick's. I love Nick's, man.
So you're just gonna take ground meat, could be chicken or beef, man, barbecue sauce, chopped onions, garlic, dried garlic, chili flakes, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper, and of course tomato paste.
Yeah, I'm watching it rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked cause I'm hardly surprised.
Then just pull up your cooked macaroni, cheddar cheese, cream, garlic powder, mustard powder, and cheese powder, okay?
This one's for my wife, could've left 1,000 times just to by my side.
Now grab your sandwich bread and let's build a sandwich.
Set the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. It's hard to get over. I'm foreigner in this world, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for
Alright, my G, so here's one sloppy Jessica sandwich. Just don't get too sloppy, okay?
I love you.
That's unbelievable.
Hey, enjoy the game tonight.